Adventures of SKSB Presents how to make a paper plane. Anyway, this your boy David from the Adventures of SK and SB channel. And here go the paper plane. It's gonna look like. So let's get started. First, what you need, a paper, of course. Once you have the paper, you want to fold it into 4 squares. Then fold the tops into like triangles, sort of. Second, third, whatever. You want to get the top and then fold it. Fourth, you want to fold the tips of the wings. Second, fold it in half towards the right. Now it's time to let it fly. Goodbye.